Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and share with you the llama that I said I was gonna, or the pinata that I said that I was gonna turn into this llama. So here's the picture of the llama. And I purchased these two paints that I'm gonna go ahead and try and replicate this guy here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the legs. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna let this dry and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually, it's not fully dried yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint the rest of it because the sun is probably about to go down and I want to put it in the sun to let that smell because it's very strong. So I'm going to go ahead and do the head, so the ears all the way down to the neck is purple. So I went ahead and removed the eyes, and so I'm just going to do probably till about right here, purple. Okay, you guys, I'm hoping that wind is not too loud, but so I'm going to go ahead and shake the purple and then do the head, and then we'll start from the bottom up. There you go. Okay, here we go. Brown paper bags that I'm gonna put around as the satchel right here, and then I'm gonna like this, where the brown sorry, hoping you can see that, where's little brown sash is on the side. I'm gonna put that, and then I'm gonna probably just print out an arrow or draw it with a Sharpie, put the eyes back on, and I might end up going as far as putting the little brown things around, I don't know if you saw that, right here around his face structure right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, and then I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like afterwards. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and let this dry. I'm hoping you can see this. And it is completely dried. I think it's super cute. Okay, so like I said, this is the llama that we're doing from Fortnite. So what I went ahead and did, I purchased these lunch bags at the Dollar Tree. I think there was like 80 for $1. And I just tore one of them up. Like, these are the edges and this is the middle piece. And so I went ahead and just drew two. I was hoping it'd be bigger, but oh well. I might just cut them. That's what I'm gonna do. Hold on, let me set the camera up and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So, like I said, what I did, I went ahead and just, I'm gonna just tear this right here because I wanna put one on each side of the llama. And then I have this adhesive super glue I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Glue that on here, like so. Just put a little bit. A little bit goes a long ways. Stick like so. And then, like I said, I tore some of these longer pieces, and I plan on doing like a twist. All you do is just twist it, because I'm trying to make like the reins, like right here on his mouthpiece, like so. So I'm just gonna twist it. So it doesn't like that. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. My son's gonna be super excited, but other than that, I think it came out pretty good. Super cheap, really easy to do. But if you like videos like this, like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And always, thanks for watching.